Suppose this is a rectangle. Look, let me draw a rectangle first. If this one is a rectangle, that means this is length, this is also length. Yes to Noras? This one breadth, the opposite side is breadth. This one is also breadth. Yes or no? Acha, okay. So that means when we are going to find the perimeter, then just we will have to add them. This plus this plus this plus this. And if we add directly the formula, 2 into length plus breadth. Yes, so already done this type of sum. Now do it. I am doing 4F and E. Probably A, B up to D yesterday completed, na? In the last class up to D completed, na? Shirin, Sushnata? Okay, E and F. Just directly write length is equal to breadth is equal to okay, so directly I am writing perimeter. Two into length plus breadth. Directly I am putting, 14.5 plus 21 centimeter. Put the unit, If you forget to put the unit, I'll deduct half marks. So what will be the answer? 2 into length plus breadth means just add them. 35.5. Now do it yourself. 5 to the 10. Carry 1. Okay. 5 to the 10 plus 1. 11 carry 1. 2 3 the 6 plus 1 7. 71 decimal 0. That means we can easily cut this 0 as it is 0 after decimal. So 71 centimeter. Done. Anubhav, Shahil Jamal, Deboshmita, Raiza, Shaud and Moshim. Done. Oh, acha, Shaud, I am waiting. Ashmit, Nusaiba, Parijat, Shifat and Afrina. Done. Good. Ankita, Trisha, Shrestha, Ishika. Okay, good. Paushali, Anjum, Mohammad Sahim, Enakshi. Not done. Okay. Paushali understood the beta? Good. Mohammad Shahim, Oishani, Obibsha, Enakshi, Bonusri. Moushim, Farhan Malik, Wajid, Shulagna, Ashia, Farzana. Keep your camera on. Anushka. Pratibha understood beta. Sushnata, Sharanya, Sharnakshi. I know today too much network issue is there. As the weather is very bad, so we cannot do anything. Okay, I'll upload the recording. You can see this one. Okay, Diptashi, Somdatta, Ashif, Oishi. Shulagna done. Acha, Bonusri, Nakshi, Ashia. If you don't turn on your camera, then I'll mark you absent. Be careful. Yes. Sharnakshi understood better. Farzana. Okay. Now look at this. Number F. Here length is given, breadth is given. I am not writing again. Huh? Directly I am finding the perimeter. Write this one. 2 into length plus breadth. Acha, what is given length? 39 and breadth is given 52 centimeter. You will have to write the unit in each and every line. Suppose I am not writing over there, okay? But you will have to write in each and every line. 2 into 39 plus 52. Add them. Add them. It will be 91. Now find out the answer. Trisha, Moshim understood. Sharnakshi, Vaji, Dinakshi, keep your camera on. Anjum, Shrestha, Ishika understood the better. Afrina. Okay. Now do this one. 9, 2, 1 is 2, 9, 2s are 18. 182, okay? Okay, done to Parijat. Now the fifth one. And I am waiting for 2 minutes. Huh? A rectangular playground has length 215 meter, breadth 100 meter. Find its perimeter. It is very much easy. Look. Write a rectangular playground has length 215 meter and write down this one. Shaud, what are you doing? Writing or not? Where? Show me your copy. Okay. Shaud, you have done it before, no? Right now in class again you have to do. Rajpreet, where are you? Vahiya, Rajpreet. Okay. Acha, so what will be its perimeter? Length this one, breadth this one. Same process I am doing here. Huh? So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Directly I am writing. 215 plus 100. It will be 315 meter. Now find the multiplication. Yes, to. Rajpreet, understood? Sushnata, Shornakshi, Mohammad Fahim, Noraz, Spondon, Manna. Understood? Nayyar Sheikh. Nayyar beta, understood? Acha, okay. Note down fast. Spondon, yes, I have seen.
So how can you present? So how can you present?
Now solve this one. Acha, at last you have to write the answer. Hence the perimeter is 630 meter. Mohammad Saim completed. Acha, now write the answer.
Yes, you are present.
Hence, its perimeter is
Anyone else?
do this one. Nayyar, what happened? Shirin, Vahia, Rajpreet. Okay. Now the sixth one.
তাহলে কালকে কি করব কালকে তোমরা তোমার কি বলে মিনিংগুলো করে রাখবে শব্দের অর্থগুলো ভালো করে করবে বিকজ তোমরা জানো
Acha, seven, number 7, I will make you only understand. It will be your homework. Okay. Now I am doing number 6th one. What is given in number 6? Look, a rectangular field has length 206 meters. So write length of the field. Length of the field. 206 meter. Okay. And it is 178 meter wide. It is wide means chaura. Okay. That means broad. How much broad is this? Basically breadth. Okay. You can compare this one. Acha, it is 178 meter wide. Got it? Anubhav, Raiza, Deboshmita doing? Shuvangi, Shulagna, Srishta. Acha, okay. Now look. So, its perimeter this one is ER, huh? Its perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 206 plus 178. But in the question, it is not asked, huh? That was fine, this one. 206 plus 178. What will be the answer? 384. Raiza, yes or no? Now multiply it. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 8. Now it is not asked in the question. Everybody look at the book. Find the length of wire needed to fence all around the field 2 times. Look, suppose I am drawing the figure. You will have to also draw the figure, huh? This length is given 206. This one also 206. 178, 178. Meter, huh? Put meter.
করবে
Now look at this. Everybody stop writing and look at this. Shout everyone, okay? Look. Acha, what will be the length of the wire which is needed to cover all around it, okay? That means to fence all around it. Look, that means we'll start.
discuss about this poem আমরা আবার কালকে এটাকে poemটা
Look from here.
question answer
Wait, let me take blue color pen.
it's okay everyone
From here we'll start. We'll have to fence all around it. Fence all around it. Yes, to Raisa. Oishani Obipsha. So, but not only one time. We will have to do 2 times, second time also. If we do this one time, then what will be the length of the wire? The perimeter? The perimeter, to yes or no? That is 768 meter. But if it is 2 times, then again the same distance we will have to cover another 268 meter. We need yes to. So ultimately 2 times means multiplied by 2. Is it clear to everyone? Ankita, Afrina, Shaud, Shoikot, okay. Bonusri, Shulagna, Shubhangi, understood? Good. Paushali, Trisha, Nushaiba, understood better? Good. Anjum, Shifat, Paushali, understood too? Good. Shrestha, where are you? Okay, Nusaiba, sit properly. Now write the answer. Up to this complete. Now write to fence all around it 2 times. I'll clear it. Shubhangi completed up to this. Anjum. Okay, now write. Everybody completed, so now write. To fence all around it 2 times. We need 768 into 2 meter. That one is equal to multiply this. This meter this meter where? Just where? Okay. Write the answer. Now find out. Acha, 8 to 16. Carry 1. 6 to 12. Plus this 1. 13 again carry 1. 7 to 14 plus 1, 15. Do this one first. Shushnata, yes. Acha, now look. All of you completed this one. All the students. Oishani, Obipsha, Ashmit, Bo, Shifat, Shornakshi, Enakshi, all the students completed. Farhan Malik. Shornakshi done. Acha, okay, I am waiting for 2 minutes. Huh? Okay. Now the next one, seventh one. That one will be your homework. This seventh one will be your homework. I'm explaining just. Find the perimeter of a square. Acha, the perimeter of a square is 64. Acha, no, that one is not your homework. Huh? Do it. The perimeter is given 64 centimeter. Acha, look at this. This is a square. Draw it. Acha, this one is each side is equal to yes or no. 4 sides are there. Yes, to. Acha, suppose. Forget about this question. Huh? Suppose, enact it properly. Trisha, Bonusri, answer me. Suppose the perimeter is given 40. Huh? This total perimeter is given 40 centimeter. Acha, 40 centimeter perimeter means what? That means this plus this plus this plus this is equal to 40. Yes or no? Yes, to. So each side is equal to. हर एक side equal है. Yes. So what will be each side? 4 into each side. That one is equal to 40. So if we divide the perimeter by 4, then we'll get 10. Each side will be 10. Na? Look, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then only we'll get 40. Na? Yes or no? Is it clear to everybody? Mohammad Nahid, Ashmit, Shrestha, Paushali, Anjum, Nusaiba, Chanoras, Sushnata, Shirin, understood to Raiza? Good. Rajpreet, Mohammad Sahim, Noras, understood? Paushali? Noras, beta, shake your head if yes. Good. So how to do? But here in place of 40, it is given 64. So first write perimeter of the square is equal to 64 centimeter. So now write, we know 4 into length of each side is equal to perimeter. Okay. Acha, let me write the whole word perimeter. Wait, huh? Is equal to perimeter. Acha, you should write it in one line, huh? There is no space. That's why I have written in this way. You write it in one line. Rajpreet, sit properly, beta. Now look, yes. Up to this done. After that, I am writing here, huh? Hence, length of each side I don't know what is going on with my screen. Acha, now each side is the what visible to you properly? Mohammad Sahim and Nayar, keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Yes. Hence, length of each side is equal to 64 centimeter by 4. That one is equal to 16 centimeter. So Nayar, Farzana, understood? Farzana, at first say, have you understood? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, then I am coming. Wait. Let me complete first sums, then I am coming to you. Now the 8th one. What is given in number 8? The rectangular field is of 75 meter and long and 25 meter wide. A boy can run around it 3 times. How much distance did he cover? Basically, we will have to find the perimeter. So, Vahia, after that, Shirin, a boy covers 3 times. So, multiplied by 3. Yes, so? Okay. So, now do the next one, 8th one. Number 8. Just directly write length is equal to 75 meter. And it is 25 meter wide. So area, acha, not area, actually perimeter. So perimeter of the field. Acha, are you drawing the figure though? Let me draw it now. Look, you will have to draw the figure, huh? Acha, it is 75 meter. It is 25 meter. 75 meter, 25 meter. Now look, a boy wants to cover it. That means he will cover this length. That is the perimeter, yes or no? Now, how many times he covered it? 3 times. So multiplied by 3. Now Nora's understood. Sushnata, Enakshi, Bonusri, Sharanya, okay. Moushim understood the beta. Shoikot. Shoikot, where are you? Is equal to, right, 2 into length plus breadth. 75 plus 25. Okay. This meter, that means 2 into, add this 2, it will be 100. Okay. Now, a boy covered is up to 3 times, na, Shoikot? How many times? 3 times. Now write a boy are you able to see the screen? Let me write it properly. Runs around it for 3 times. Up to this, all of you completed? Up to this, Shuvangi, Nusaiba, okay, I am waiting. Now write the answer. Hence, he covered 200 into 3. This meter of length. Okay, I'm clearing the screen. Huh? All of you completed too. Shifat, Anju, Mohammad Nahid, Bahia completed. Good. Enakshi, Meheria, Trisha, Saud. Oishani, Obipsha, Wajid, Ishika, Ashia. Shomodip, Gorui, Parijat, Shomdatta, Ashif, Mullah, Asjadur. Keep your camera on. Okay, now I'm writing the answer 3 times. Hence, he covered 200 into 3 meter. Okay. Do this one first, everybody. Now I'll check the copy. Acha, 2 questions are left, 9, 10. Tomorrow I'll complete, okay? I'll start GK. Then these 2 questions I'll solve, huh? The name I am calling, they will show me their copy.